Hello all, myself Professor Girish Navale. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISMS IOIT. And today I am here to give you the introduction of Melay and Moore Machine implementation part. So we'll see the implementation part of Melay and Moore Machine. Okay. So here one example is given. Design a Moore machine and Melay machine for the binary input such that if it has substring 110, the machine output as A, and if it has substring 101, then machine outputs with B, otherwise C. Okay, so here we have to form Moore machine and Millet machine. Okay, for the same example. First is Millet machine, right? So in Millet machine, we know that both input and output both are outside the state. And for Moore machine, the input is outside, but the output is inside the state. Now, what is our requirement? We have to form the substring 110, then machine gives output A. But if it is not forming the substring 110, it is giving me the output otherwise C. So it is giving me output as C if it is not forming the input substring 110. So uh, now we have to form substring 110. So I will start directly with Q0 to Q1 1/C. That means my one input is over, but still it has not formed any substring 110. So only one is there. So 1/C. So Q1 to Q2 again for next one it is again /C. But if it is forming 0, that means I'm getting substring 110. So after 0/A. So Q2 to Q5 you can see the output is A. So this is formation of 110 substring. So whenever we are getting 0, we are taking the output as A. And after that, if I'm getting any values, that means I'm getting my substring part 110. So whatever value I'm getting after that, 0 or 1, output will be always 1, because I already got the substring 110. So why the self loop 0/C is given? See, if anything is coming up before 110 substring, that is also possible, that many zeros can also they can also come before 110 substring. Okay, so for example 000 110, and again any 0 or 1 is coming, that is also acceptable. So initially we are taking 0/C as self loop. Now what is my one more substring is there, 101. So I have to check 101 also. So 1/C, this part is okay for the both inputs, right? 110 as well as 101. But if I'm getting 10, so now I have two choices now. So already I've covered that 1/C. So I have to traverse from Q1 to Q3, 0/C, and from Q3 to Q4 again 1. If I'm getting 1, I have to give output as B, because my 101 substring is over. That's why output is B. And other after that, whatever I'm getting as 0 or 1, I'm accepting all that as B, because it is acceptable, because whatever the strings whatever the strings they are coming after the substring, it is also acceptable. Now the self loop 0/C is again same for this. Now why there is from Q3 to Q0, why 0/C is given? Because if I'm getting substring like this 100, and again if again 0 is coming, so instead of 1, so I should have one choice. That's why to revert back. So I'm again from Q3 to Q0, 0/C is given. Now this is Millet machine. Now we already formed the Millet machine. So Moore machine, again for forming the Moore machine, everything is same. But we know that 0 slash c, 0 is input and slash c is output. In Moore machine, input is outside and the output is inside. That's why we are preferring q0 slash c. Now for q1, one is input, slash c is output. So q, we are giving q1 slash c as output inside the state. For q2 again slash c, self loop 1 is given, q3 slash c, and for the 0 input q5 slash a, because its output is a, for the input 0 or 1. For q4 the input is 0 or 1, the output is inside the state. So in this way we have seen the implementation part of Melay machine and Moore machine. These machines are similarly we are forming as NFA to DFA, but you can see here there is for final state you have uh, given as what it will output. So here whenever we are encountering output a, we can assume that it's a final state. So whatever, so here start state is similar to the as that of NFA to DFA, but here for final state, for identification of final state we have to check what it will output. That will be our output. So in this way we cover the implementation part of Melay machine and Moore machine by checking the example of substring 110 and 101.